أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم به أستعين في جميع الأمور اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم وارحم وترحم كما صليت وسلمت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد قال رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي امري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Blessed climate smart greetings from President of SAMS TQLMA Club, engaged in building SAMS Wheel of Life Farm School, Tesla-powered Al-Saadah Towers, in global university campuses, farms, and gold mines, and SAMS, AMU, Tesla, Bitcoin campus town in all countries of our world to assure inflation-free total quality life of 2 billion mothers, 7 million engineers, and all residents of our planet. Everyone can participate in our program by owning one share of $80 of SAMS TQLMA Club high technology companies engaged in climate smart food, education, and construction business to earn benchmark ROI of 21+% and enroll in Global Executive MBA in climate smart business with traction to build their home in their university in Al-Saadah Towers. My name is Dr. Mufaddal Mirza. I acquired my basic education from St. Paul's English High School, did high school from Pakistan, Ship Honors College, bachelor's in chemical engineering from Dawood University of Engineering and Technology, master's in chemical engineering from Wayne State University, PhD in food science from University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, did postdoctoral research in Nova Scotia, Canada, and started at Procter & Gamble in Pakistan, served as associate professor of industrial engineering and management at Institute of Business Management, where my MBA students converted to the Quality Life Maintenance Association into TQLMA, and today SAMS TQLMA Club is being incorporated by our company ECMI, EMCI, basically a management company, led by Mr. John Holder, and he's incorporating our company in all countries of our world to delight 8 billion residents enjoy inflation-free total quality life. So I'm welcoming our very, very good friend, Mr. Morales, who is a gold and diamond trader. And he will be updating us about how we can utilize our gold coins and bars to delight 8 billion residents of our world. Go ahead, the floor is yours.
Yes. Good afternoon, Mr. Rufala. It's a pleasure to always be here speaking to you. Nice to see you again. And to everyone, blessings. It is one of the projects that we were looking forward to starting is the refineries for the white gold. We have about 20,000 kilos right now that we could start processing. And of course, the process of white gold is very similar to the rhodium, but easier. And it's long lasting, and it's much easier to be able to asset the world with those kinds of amounts of bricks, if you know what I mean. The kilos of gold is 60, and the kilo of our white gold is almost 900,000. So you can kind of see the leverage on that. But we want to make sure that we can start working with the coins that you were saying, Mr. Rufalo, to be able to stamp the Tesla brand onto the coin, and white gold with a Tesla brand I think would be fantastic. And that would help us finance the port that we have in South America for petroleum in Colombia, Barranquilla, called Royal Port Barranquilla. That's going to be breaking ground here in hopefully less than 60 days. And we have contracts with big oil companies. And of course, with that kind of funding, liquid money, we could actually go ahead and move towards the currency of digital currency in the world, QFS included. So we're looking forward to starting a platform, I guess you can call it, with Mr. Elon Musk and with the Tesla Foundation to get the white gold involved around the world as a currency-based system. That way we can process the different refineries all around the world with white gold instead of the rhodium that breaks and is not very valuable anymore, considering the prices. Of course, we have projects all over the world that are trying to come to us with the humanitarian aid for the funding that we're receiving because of the project that we already have in process. So we're looking for, I guess you could say, a union and the long-lasting business relationship with you to start doing things that other countries are already considering doing with BRICS and different associations of groups that are independently, if you know what I mean, in the United States, trying to fund themselves. So we just want to make sure that we could be one of the players on the game. And why not a perfect idea with our white gold and with your communication skills, engineering skills, chemical skills that you have, sir, to join forces with us. So it's a pleasure to give me the time to explain this to you, and I look forward to seeing what you have to respond.
And I think the first site, I think, which we can select in South America is a country, El Salvador. And in San Salvador, they are actually planning to build this Bitcoin city, which, we are capable of building, and we will definitely make that into SAMS, AMU, Tesla, Bitcoin campus town, because that's what we are building in all available sites of the world. And since, in El Salvador, in San Salvador, we don't have to teach them how to use Bitcoin. They have made actually Bitcoin a legal currency, and they are using it basically. So I think we should be supporting that particular project, because that government basically, and make El Salvador a benchmark sort of inflation-free country. It has got a lot of problems because most of the countries in South America has tons of problems, but they have found this as a solution to solve their problems and to help the poorest person living in that country. So I was actually looking at a documentary of Deutsche Welle about San Salvador, and I was really impressed by the work which is being done. So we don't have to really reinvent the wheel. The model exists, the experts are there. They are using actually Bitcoin wallets to actually basically convert waste into gold. They are doing it actually. So we don't have to really, I'm kind of a person
hydrocarbons and biofuels,
who learns from everyone. Okay. So as a professor, I have to be a good learner in order to, teach my students. So I learn from everyone. Mr. Elon Musk has taught me a lot of things, and he keeps me, always very, very agile and active. And really, he has the ability and capability to really delight 8 billion people, not with money, but with really, products which will change everybody's life. Simply, I mean, our plan is basically that all our GEMBA engineers and GEMBA mothers, 2 billion of them, will be getting this gift of Tesla Pi phone. And that phone is enough for everyone to do everything they need to do. Basically, personal transactions, business transactions. So everything can be done with that one phone. And obviously, that's one of the products, very, very innovative products, which is connected globally because we don't need any internet connectivity. And all the issues related to connectivity will be solved. So it will be always connected through, space satellites, thousands of them, which are there. And so basically, I think we are really blessed to have engineer Elon Musk, with us. And we are ready basically to delight everyone. So nobody will be excluded. And so that's our plan. And we are ready to execute the plan. And, so with collaboration with our good friend, Mr. Morales and John, my very, very good friend, very long time related to gold and diamond, trading. We have the ability and capabilities to delight everyone. So I think if there are no more questions, Mr. Morales, we can conclude the meeting with a prayer and, share it with everyone.
Thank you very much for your time, sir. I appreciate it, and blessings to your group. And I look forward to your answer.
Thank you very much. So I think with the prayers, I will conclude the meeting. We are ready to delight everyone. Everyone can participate in our program by simply owning one share of SAMS TQLMA Club group companies, and AUSB Metal is one of our group companies. So we are doing very, very innovative things, and nobody can offer the benchmark return on investment like we do. So whatever you have, you can, simply participate with this $80 one share. And if you don't have $80, we have a mechanism of giving you Qardan Hasana. And whoever gives the Qardan Hasana of whatever amount, $80 or $8,000, Mr. Elon Musk guarantees it and will be returning the Qardan Hasana to the person who gives it to the engineers and STEM graduates so they can enroll in Global Executive MBA and Climate Smart Business with Traction. So with the prayers that, we are ready to move forward, and we are thankful to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for, providing us with the blessings. And we are, so with that prayer, we are ending this meeting, and we would like everyone to share this with everyone you know. So by simply sharing it, you can become a millionaire very easily, because, when you enroll, one SAMS TQLMA club member with $80 or 53 PGCs, we call it, one PGC will automatically be credited to your wallet. So nothing to lose basically. And if you don't have anything, just share and, become a millionaire. Shukran jazila. Thank you very much. Allahumma salli ala sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala ali sayyidina Muhammadin barik sallim. Warahmatullahi kama sallaita wa sallamta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Thank you, Mr. Morales.
Thank you, sir.
तो सारे उर्दू बोलने वाले हजरात जो मक्का मुअज़्ज़मा में, मदीनतुल मुनव्वरा में, बैतुल मक़दिस में, करबला मोहल्ला में, नजफ़ुल अशरफ में मुकीम है, हमारे 5300 PGCs $8,000 के प्रोग्राम के अंदर शामिल हो और रिज़्क़ हलाल के साथ साथ हज की सआदत भी हासिल करें। तो ये पैगाम आप सब तक पहुंचाएं और सारे लोगों को हमारे प्रोग्राम के अंदर शामिल करें। सगला गुजराती बोलनार साहेबो, ताजिरो, ને મુબારક મોહનના થાય ઇન્ડિયાનું જે આ મિશન હમણાં લુનર મિશન સક્સેસફુલ થયું એનો ઇન્ડિયામાં તો એની મુબારકબાદ પણ સગલાને આપણે આપીએ છીએ અને સગલા લોકો અમારું આ જે બિઝનેસ છે ટેસ્લાનું એ બેસિકલી ઘણા કોસ્ટ ઇફેક્ટિવ તરીકાથી જે મિલિયનેર બનશે અમારા પ્રોગ્રામને જોઈન કરીને ને બિલિયન પીજીસી ના ડાયરેક્ટર બનશે અમારી કંપનીના સેમ્સ ટીક્યુએલમાં ક્લબના તો આપ લોકોને હમારા ટેસ્લાના સ્પેસક્રાફ્ટના અંદર ચાંદની સફર પણ આપને એનો નસીબ થશે તો આ બસ અમારો બિઝનેસ છે અને આ કારોબારના અંદર જે ક્લાઇમેટ સ્માર્ટ ગોલ્ડ ફૂડ અને તાલીમનો અમારો શોબો છે કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન અમે કરીએ છીએ તો અમારું જે અલ સઆદા ટાવર્સ જે છે જે મુંબઈમાં બનેલું છે એ અમે સગલી યુનિવર્સિટી કેમ્પસીસના અંદર બનાવી રહેલા છે તો આપના પ્રોગ્રામના અંદર સગલાને આપ શામિલ કરીએ શુક્રન જઝીલા અને આપનો કારોબારને અગર આપ સેમ્સ ટેસ્લા એએમયુ ગીગા ફેક્ટરી કેમ્પસ ટાઉનના અંદર એસ્ટાબ્લિશ કરશો તો આપને બહેતરીન કિસ્મનું ઇન્સેન્ટિવ્સ મળશે અને તમારા એસેટ હંમેશા સિક્યોર રહેશે તો આ બસ પેગામ સગલાને પહોંચાડીએ અને સગલા લોકોને આપણા પ્રોગ્રામના અંદર શામિલ કરીએ શુક્રન જઝીલા اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى ال سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم كما صليت وسلمت على ابراهيم وعلى ال ابراهيم انك حميد مجيد واخر دعوانا ان الحمد لله رب العالمين